You know that iron and steel industry is the basic industry. It has the key importance in laying the foundations of industrial growth of any country. It has been started in 1907 when the Tata Iron and Steel industry was established by Jamshedji Tata at Jamshedpur. The factors favorable for the location of iron and steel industry are availability of iron ore, coking coal, manganese, limestone, etc., and labor as well as transportation facilities. Because of heavy and bulky raw materials, steel plants are located mostly very near to the source of raw materials. The steel is manufactured in private as well as public sectors in the country. The plants established at Jamshedpur, Burnpur, Bhadravati are managed by private companies, whereas Bhilai, Rourkela, Durgapur, Bokaro steel plants etc. are established under public sector, collectively known as Hindustan Steel Plants. Countries like USSR, UK, West Germany have helped us in building our public sector steel plants. Let us have a short discussion on different steel plants of our country. First one, TISCO. The Tata Iron and Steel Plant lies very close to Mumbai-Kolkata railway line and about 240 kilometers away from Kolkata. Kolkata is the nearest port and it is used for export of steel products from this region. The rivers Suvarnarega and Kharkai provide water to the plant. The iron ore for the plant is obtained from Navamundi and Badampahar. The coal is brought from Joda mines in Orissa. Coking coal comes from Jharia and West Bokaro coal fields. The second iron and steel company in the country is ISCO. The Indian Iron and Steel Company set up its first factory at Hirapur and later on Kulti. In 1937, the Steel Corporation of Bengal was constituted in association with ISCO and set up another steel producing unit at Burnpur in West Bengal. All the three plants under ISCO are located very close to Damodar Valley coal fields. Iron ore comes from Singhbhum in Jharkhand. Water is obtained from Baraka River, a tributary of Damodar. Visvesvaraya Iron and Steel Works Limited, VISL. The third integrated steel plant, Visvesvaraya plant, initially called Mysore Iron and Steel Works. It is located close to an iron ore producing area of Kemangungi in Baba Budan Hills. Limestone and manganese are also locally available here. But this region has no coal. At the beginning, charcoal obtained by burning wood from nearby forest was used as fuel till 1951. Afterwards, electric furnaces were installed which use hydroelectricity from the Jog Falls hydroelectric power project. The Bhadravati river supplies water to this Visvesvaraya plant at Mysore. Next plant is Rourkela steel plant. It was set in 1959 in the Sundargarh district of Orissa in collaboration with Germany. The plant was located on the basis of proximity to raw materials. This plant has a unique locational advantage as it receives coal from Jharia fields of Jharkhand. The plant receives iron ore from Sundargarh Bhilai steel plant. It was established with Russian collaboration in Durg district of Chhattisgarh and started production in 1959. The iron ore comes from Delhi Rajaraha mines. Coal comes from Korba and Kargali coal fields. It gets power from Korba Thermal Power Station. It lies along the Kolkata-Mumbai railway route also. Next is Bokaro Steel Plant. This plant has set up in 1964 with Russian collaboration. This plant was set up on the principle of minimizing transportation cost by creating Bokaro-Rourkela combine. It receives iron ore from Rourkela region and wagons on return take coal to Rourkela. Other raw materials comes to Bokaro from within a radius of about 350 kilometers. Water and hydel power is supplied by DVC, that is Damodar Valley Corporation. Let us see other steel plants of our country. New steel plants which were set up recently all are located in South India. The Vizag steel plant in Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh is the first port-based plant which started operation in 1992. The Vijayanagar steel plant at Hospet in Karnataka was developed using indigenous technology. This used local iron ore and local limestone. The Salem steel plant in Tamil Nadu was commissioned in 1982.